Inserting a memory card into the Kodak PixPro FZ55 camera requires careful attention to orientation and handling. This tutorial outlines the steps. Steps to insert the memory card. First, make sure the camera is fully turned off. Never insert or remove a memory card while the camera is powered on, as this can damage your files or the card. Hold the camera and locate the bottom compartment where the battery and memory card slot are housed. You will find a small door with a latch that keeps the compartment closed. Slide the latch gently and open the door. Inside, you will see the battery and the SD card slot. Hold your memory card with the gold contacts facing down toward the back screen side of the camera. The card has an angled corner that matches the slot shape. Ensure this corner aligns correctly. Insert the memory card slowly into the slot until you hear a click. This sound means the card is locked in place. Do not force it if it does not go in smoothly. If needed, remove it and check the direction again before trying once more. Close the compartment door and slide the latch to lock it. The camera is now ready for use. Limitation: the Kodak PixPro FZ55 supports standard SD, SDHC, and SDXC cards. Cards larger than 32 gigabytes may require formatting in the camera before use. This method is best suited for users setting up the camera for the first time or replacing a full memory card.